Hello students, today I am explaining important problem in probability and random variables. So here our question is a continuous random variable x has a PDF f of x equal to 3 by 4 into x square plus 1 in the interval 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 1. Find a such that p of x less than or equal to a equal to p of x greater than a. The PDF f of x equal to e power minus x for x greater than or equal to 0. Find mean and variance for this problem. Okay, so what is our given value? F of x equal to 3 by 4 into x square plus 1. So here f of x is nothing but probability density function. Here our random variables are what? Continuous random variable. That's why probability function we can call as here probability density function. Value is what? 3 by 4 into x square plus 1 in this interval. Okay, so we know that sum of all the probabilities equal to 1. In discrete we write like this: summation p of x equal to 1. So this is continuous random variable. That's why integration minus infinity to infinity f of x dx equal to 1. Okay, so but here our interval is what? 0 to 1. For other values the function value is what? They not given clearly. So that's why first I'm writing from 0 to 1 f of x value is what I'm doing now. So 0 to 1 f of x dx value I'm finding. So f of x value is what? 3 by 4 into x square plus 1. 3 by 4 x square integration is x cube by 3. 3 by 4 is constant, right outside. X square integration is x cube by 3. 1 integration is x. Okay, now upper limit is 1, substitute 1 by 3 plus 1 minus lower limit 0 by 3 0 plus 0. Okay, 1 by 3 plus 1, 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 4 by 3. Here 4 get cancelled, 3 get cancelled, 1. So integration 0 to 1 f of x dx value what you got? 1. That means the probability under the curve from 0 to 1 is 1, means the function exists from 0 to 1 only. For other values the function value is 0. So therefore 0 to 1 f of x dx value what you got? 1. So our function exists only from 0 to 1. Okay, next our question is what? If p of x less than or equal to a equal to p of x greater than a, then for what value these two are equal? Okay, so here I'm observe this diagram. Total curve is from 0 to 1 only. So total area under this curve is 1. So if I take a here, okay, in exactly middle, so half of the value is what? Total a 1 means half of the value is 0.5. Here half of the value is 0.5. If I take here a exactly half in middle, then we get the area same. So that means when we get these two values are same, this area and this area, if I take 0.5, then these two are same. So at what value of a these two values are we get 0.5, we need to find out. Okay, that's why p of x less than or equal to a equal to p of x greater than a equal to what value I written? 0.5. So if both are equal when the probability is 0.5. Okay, so now instead of taking both, I am taking p of x less than or equal to a equal to 0.5. Okay, less than or equal to a means from 0 to e. Okay, so a less than values from 0 to a. Okay, so 0 to a f of x dx. F of x value is what? 3 by 4 into x square plus 1. Already in the question given from 0 to 1 f of x value is what? 3 by 4 into x square plus 1. Okay, 3 by 4 x square integration is x cube by 3. 1 integration is x. Okay, here this value we taken already 0.5. Why? Because these two values are equal, they given. When these two values are equal, if this value is 0.5, here value is 0.5, then only these two are equal. For other values that two are not equal. We need to find out at what value of a that two are equal. Okay, that's why we taken first instead of both I taken p of x less than or equal to 0.5. A equal to b, b equal to c means we can write a equal to b or a equal to c. Na? So that's why these two I taken equal. Okay, now next what we need to find? Substitute now limits. So upper limit a cube by 3. So here observe upper limit is what? A. So if I substitute a here, a cube by 3 plus a, lower limit minus 0 cube by 3 plus 0. Okay, so that means here we get a cube by 3, 3 by 4 into a cube by 3 plus a minus 0 equal to 0.5. Instead of 0.5 written 1 by 2. 1 by 2 value is 0.5. That's why. So here LCM a cube plus 3a by 3, this 3 get cancelled, so a cube by plus 3a by this a cube plus 3a by 4 equal to 1 by 2. 2 ones are 2 twos are, so a cube plus 3a equal to cross multiplication you get equal to 2. A cube plus 3a minus 2 equal to 0. So this is what cubic equation. Okay, if you use calculator we can find the value of a by using calculator. What you get a value? 0.596. So in the calculator you need to first press mod setup. After that equation is there, we need to press on equation. After that cubic equation, then we need to press a cube quotient is 1, square is not there, so 1. After that a square is not there, so 0. Next after that 3 minus 2. If you click if you press 103 minus 2 in calculator, we get the a value 0.596. Okay, next we got a value. So for this value p of x less than or equal to a equal to p of x greater than a, values are same. Okay, next question is what? F of x equal to e power minus x. This is the what? Probability density function value for x greater than or equal to 0. We need to find mean and variance. Mean formula is what? X into f of x. In discrete probability, this is what? X into summation x into p of x. In continuous, we write this as integration x into f of x dx. Okay, f of x value is what? E power minus x. So here product of two functions are there. So u value is by using evaluate x, v value is what? E power minus x. For first one we need to do differentiation, for second one we need to do integration. X differentiation is what? 1. If we do again differentiation, it becomes 0. That's why only one time differentiation. Here one time differentiation means here we need to do 2 times integration. E power minus x integration is what? E power minus x by minus 1. Why? Because x coefficient is minus 1. Right denominator minus 1. Again for this, again we need to do integration. First time over. For second one we need to do again. Here coefficient is minus 1 right outside. Now for this a power minus x, again integration e power minus x by minus 1. Now write alternative plus and minus. Here plus minus, if one more term is there, plus minus, like that we need to write. Now cross these values, x into this value and 1 into this value, plus into minus, minus x e power minus x. This minus get cancelled, minus into plus, minus 1 into e power minus x, e power minus x. Now substitute, instead of this total integration, we write this cross multiplication values. Now substitute upper limit infinity, e power minus infinity 0. That's why this total value, this 0, upper limit is 0, minus lower limit 0 into something 0, minus e power 0 value is 1. Minus into minus plus. So e of x equal to 1. That means mean value we got what? 1. Now variance formula is what? E of x square minus e of x whole square. Now first I am doing e of x square value. So here our function is what? X greater than or equal to 0. So only the function exists for x greater than or equal to 0 only. That means 0 to infinity. Okay, instead of total we take 0 to infinity. So here x means here we get x. Here x square, now that's why x square into e power minus x. Okay, now here first function is x square, second function is e power minus x. X square differentiation is 2x. 2x differentiation is 2. For first function we need to do differentiation. For second function we need to do integration. Okay, so here how many times we done differentiation? 2 times. So that's why integration is 3 times. Okay, e power minus x integration is e power minus x by minus 1. Constant is minus 1, take common. Then for e power minus x, again e power minus x by minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled, 1 take constant outside. E power minus x integration is e power minus x by minus 1. Now alternative plus or minus, plus minus plus and so on we get. So now cross these values and write these cross multiplication values instead of this integration. We get plus into minus, minus x square into e power minus x. This minus get cancelled. Minus into plus, minus 2x into e power minus x. So plus into minus, minus 2 into e power minus x. Now we need to substitute the limits. Here limits 0 to infinity. That's why I written here 0 to infinity. Upper limit means e power minus infinity, e power minus infinity, e power minus infinity, total 0, minus lower limit 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. Here x is not there. So we need to substitute 0 here. E power 0 value is what? 1. So minus 2 into 1 we get. So this total 0 minus into minus plus 2. Variance of x equal to what? E of x square minus e of x whole square. Now only we find e of x square value is 2 minus already we got e of x value is 1. That means mean 1 square. For total value we need to find out, we need to write square. So 1 square. So 2 minus 1 square means 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So that's why we got mean value is 1 and variance value is 1 for the function f of x equal to e power minus x for x greater than or equal to 0. The problem is over. Thank you.